wasn't feeling faint a few minutes ago, he's probably definitely feeling faint up there right now.
It is not a fun ride. It's very nauseating. Like,
Holy smokes, they're pulling me in already. That is crazy.
They're taking up to a unique place with a fire.
Wow.
he probably has his eyes closed.
Wow, that fireman is amazing.